Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to take the WLtoys 144001, or the Jorge Garcia as I like to call it, and we're going to change the rear suspension on this thing. We're going to put some 60 weight oil in the shocks, because as you see, the shocks are just not very good. They need to be serviced. They just don't have like hardly any rebound at all. They just are not very good at all. The front seems to be okay, but the rear not so great. So we're going to work on those and tune it a little bit, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take it back here and we're going to bash it a little bit on the shed ramp that I have. If you guys have not seen, I tore that shed down. Listen to me, I tore the shed down and made a ramp, and so it's time to you know, get that thing out of here and clear out the space. And so today I'm gonna get one last bash session in on it with the WLtoys, or the Jorge Garcia. I guess this video is sponsored by Banggood. They didn't ask me to make this video. They didn't tell me to make it. They don't know that I'm making it. They did send me this car for free, and I will leave a link down in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you want to get you a WLtoys 144001, you can click that link, buy it through Banggood, and it will give the channel some commission. It helps the channel out. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. And also, I just wanted to make this video. I enjoy driving this car around. I drive it around pretty often, have a lot of fun with it, and I want to make the suspension better. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying my content, hit that subscription button down in that little box. Like the video if you like it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the suspension opened up on this little RC. I don't know what I was saying then. The suspension on this one's kind of weird the way it screws in, and I can't take this wing off. I ground that screw off right there, so I can't take it off. But let's go ahead and screw this shock like this. Oh, don't lose screws. There it is. And next one. There we go. Undo the little screw back here. All right, we're gonna take that end off right there, pull the spring off. Let's go clean that shock before we get it opened up. Yeah, look at this. That thing is full of shock oil. That's as far as I can press it in. This one right here, so I can press that one in further. This one's got less shock oil than this one. That's too much. If you can't push that shock all the way in, that is too much shock oil. There we go. Yeah, this thing could not be more full of shock oil. Pour all that out. Hear that woodpecker? There's so many animals out here. Now let's fill this thing with oil. We're using 60 weight all the way to the top or close to it. All you're going to do is work this shock piston up and down. Try to get all the bubbles, air bubbles out. We're going to set it right over here, and we're going to give it a few minutes, and if there's any air bubbles in there, they will float to the top. You can shine your light down inside there. I don't know how well it's come across on camera, but you can see down inside there when you shine a light, and you can see if there's air bubbles or not. You want to wait until there's no air bubbles left in there. Now what we're going to do is put the shock cap back on there. Like that. You'll see that it's too full, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to back it up a little bit, and we're going to push it about halfway. Oh, I didn't back off enough. Open up a little bit more. Push it about halfway. There we go. Now we're going to close it down. Hope you guys are enjoying that woodpecker in the background. Close down. Now it should do that. We can actually come out a little bit more with some oil, so open it back up. Push it up a little bit. Close this back down. You push it in. It should go almost or all the way in, and it should come back out just like that. There we go. what's happening is there's a little diaphragm inside. Oh, don't drop that. There's a little diaphragm inside there. There's air inside there. And whenever you press the shock in, that bar has got to go somewhere, and the oil it displaces has to go somewhere. And what it does is it compresses the air that's inside that little diaphragm. So when you push up, it's actually compressing the air up inside there, and the air uncompressing is what causes it to come back out. And so you've got to leave room inside there for the shock to go up. If there's no room in there, that's what was causing the shock to go up to right here and stop. It's because there was not enough space in there for it to actually go into the shock body. This is known as bleeding the shock. So once again, I'm gonna put it on and back it up so that air can get out. And the oil too, oil can come out too. Some shocks actually have like a hole up there for the shock oil to come out. Press it up about halfway, don't go too far. And we're gonna close this right here. And let's see, that doesn't go far enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it back up so the air can get out and oil can get out. Push up a little bit farther. Close it back down. Let's see, we can take out a little bit more. So open it up, push it up a little bit more. There we go. That may be too much. Yep. Now I'm going to put some more oil in the shock and do it again. So now they compress about the same. All right. Just put everything back together. There we go. That should be much better. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set the preload, because we need stiffer springs, but we don't have stiffer springs. So let it set about right there. There we go. There we go. That's a lot better than what it was. Woo! You hear the frogs? That's what I gotta listen to the whole time I'm editing videos. Here we go. Oh, that wasn't planned. One of the things I learned about this shed ramp, which was made accidentally, of course, the bigger RCs, well, like the X-Max, I'm not really paying attention to what I'm driving. I'm just talking. The X-Max does really well on it, and the WLtoys 144001, you know, the Jorge, it does really well on it. A lot of the other RCs don't jump off this thing very well for whatever reason. I don't know why. So just the really small ones and the really big ones. You hear it ding, that little vent or whatever. One thing I like doing is trying to aim for this over here. So let's see if we can aim for that. Oop. Went too far that time. There it went. That's perfect. A little rooftop track. It's actually kind of challenging to drive around like this. This is cool. I like this. This is fun. Ooh, almost. How about we send it off the ramp full speed? That flew so well. This thing really flies well. Let's do it again. Look at that, no correction in the air at all. Man. Ooh. It rolled over, but that's okay. All right, we're gonna hit the ramp wide open, and I'm gonna measure it this time and see how far this thing goes. I'm curious. Let's see. Oh. No, I broke it. Yep. There are parts out here somewhere. Great. I found all the parts. I found all the parts. The pin came out, the drive shaft came out, and I've been out here on the ground looking out. The sun's completely gone. I don't know how long I've been looking, maybe 20 minutes. I got the footage, I put it on my camera, and I was looking, and I noticed that it hit right here, and I was looking all in this area because I found one of the parts over here. I don't know who the people have been driving my yard. It just drives me crazy they do this, but it was over here is where I found one of the pins. The thing is, I went back and looked at the camera, and right over here is where the first impact happened. And so I started looking over here, and I found this little black piece right here. This little black piece is what I was looking for. The other two, the drive shaft and the little pin, I found that just by looking at it. I'm gonna see if I can put this thing back together. First thing I'm gonna try is straighten it out with this right here. This is a sheet metal tool. I used to be a sheet metal worker. It's one of the tools. I don't think this is gonna straighten it out really. So no. Here, we're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna very gently, I'm gonna try to do it like this. So I need a vise, really. I should get one. That's really close to being straight. That's not perfect, but that is pretty close. All right, let's put this thing together. There we go. She goes in. All right, it's back together. All right, let's run it some more. So should stay together, right? Let's get one last jump in and see how far it goes. So if I don't miss this time. Right here. Let's see how far it went. So this is 35 feet. 35 feet, which I don't think is bad at all. So this whole thing is fun. All right guys, well there you have it. That's how you swap out the shock oil and set up the rear shocks on the WLtoys 144001, the Jorge Garcia. So I really like this thing. It's really cool. I drive it more often than you might guess anytime, because you know the battery only lasts like 8 to 10 minutes. So when I only have a few minutes to spare, I will come out here and run the thing. So I have a lot of fun with it. I really enjoy it. I'm surprised I didn't break it. When it started rolling over, it just came apart. I got to bend that one piece in there. I'm really surprised that little wreck did not kill the thing. It's a lot tougher than it looks. So I'm really impressed with it. I really like it. I hope you guys pick up one. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Be sure to set your suspension up correctly. It just does not work very well out of the box. And you know, you see how it's going all the way down now as far as it's supposed to go. Well, that's all I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like the video if you like it. Don't forget, I have a link down in there in the description. That's an affiliate link. So if you're going to buy this thing, click through my link and it will, you know, reflect positive on me and help the channel out. I really would appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. We have hit 14,000 subscribers, which is nuts. I don't know if you guys saw my meme. Go to the community tab and check out the meme for the little meme I made. It was I thought it was pretty funny, but you know, I couldn't have gotten to 14,000 subscribers without you guys. Obviously, how do I get subscribers without my subscribers? That's how it works. But really, you guys have shared the videos and liked the videos and watched my videos and left comments, and it's been such a great experience. I just can't thank you guys enough. I will leave a link down in the description for my Patreon so you can support the channel that way if that's how you want to do it. But that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you guys so much. Make sure I don't have anything else to say. Nope, that's it. And I will see you guys later.